Alright, so this is my table. So what we are interested at is we want the mean, we want the standard error, we don't want it. I just select, click delete. The median, we want it. The mode, yes. Standard deviation, the variance, we need it. These normality measures, kurtosis and skewness, we don't need them. Range, yes, we want it. Minimum values and maximum values, we are not interested in them, but I'm going to keep them for a while. The sum and the count, we also don't need them. So this is the thing that we have seen in class in chapter 3 and 4, and we want to emphasize here. So, and then I may if I want to delete this table because it's empty, I can come here, right, delete. But if I delete, then even the whole row including these values here are going to disappear, right? So better not to delete it this way, but just cut and paste here, right? You also need to cut this 4, Control X and count 1 2 3 4 and place them here, right? V. And the same thing with these 3 1 2 3, Control X and then place them here as well. And this is my table. If you want to get rid and you want your work to look professional, and just come here and then, right, you may need to insert a bar from at the bottom here, and then you have your table. Now what is missing actually is these are the things that we have seen in class. What is missing is coefficient of variation, and there is a way to calculate it. Now the range is just 9 in this case because it is the difference between maximum and minimum value, right? Here is 30 because the maximum is, the highest value is 95 minus 65 is 30, right? So this is how we calculate the range. Now you guys need to provide this table, all right, which is the answer to this task here, A, quantitative variables measures. And the last thing, to calculate the coefficient of variation, we have one formula, and the formula is CV equals to standard deviation divided by the mean multiplied by 100. So I can do it here. We press equals, then we go to the standard deviation, we just click on the value, then slash, which indicates the division, then the mean. So up here I have standard deviation divided by the mean, and then multiply, just shift with 8, you get this star, which indicates, or it is symbol of multiplication, 100 because it is from the formula, and then press enter, you will have it. Alright, let's do it again. Here is going to be equal from your keyboard, standard deviation slash the mean, shift with 8, 100, and for the third one the same thing, start with equal, standard deviation divided by the mean multiplied by 100, and so these are coefficient of variations. And now by looking into these values here, we can compare between the 3 variables if we need it for whatever purpose in our studies. Okay, this is how we do it. Now if you want to calculate the range using the same way, if you don't have minimum and maximum values, so you can do it this way, equals 95, the highest value, we just follow the formula, minus the lowest value, and so it is 30, which is equal to this, right? So for now you need to delete this 2. Delete this. You may need to bring this one, Control X, put it up here, V, and then your table is here. If you want to change the place of this table, just Control X and take it to wherever data sheet you want, right? Let's say I'm going to put it here. No, it's not accepting it here. Maybe down here. Something wrong. What's wrong? Control X. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so this is the table, right? You just need to arrange it in a proper way, and that's it. This is how basically we come out with we apply all these functions or operations in Excel. Thanks everyone.